Compelling product presentation drives sales success. SellerPic's Product Spotlight feature lets you freely swap backgrounds and craft professional lighting effects. Simply upload local images or import product photos directly from Shopify. Our system auto-detects subjects and delivers precise cutouts. Choose backgrounds from presets, or generate the scene you want by using prompts. Upload custom images, or select solid color canvases. Then pick lighting presets or manually adjust angle, intensity, and range to highlight textures and details. Real-time previews enable instant effect comparisons, while customizable canvas sizes or preset platform templates ensure perfect framing. Let's randomly select a preset and generate with one click to see the effect. The image naturally blends into the scene and fully captures the preset lighting characteristics, resulting in a pleasing lighting effect. Export HDJ/PG PNG files with one click for seamless integration across e-commerce platforms and social media. SellerPic's professional lighting magic turns every product into an eye-catching centerpiece.